Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find outer body filter on TikTok and how to use this filter. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go to the effect gallery and make sure you are in trending. Scroll up. Okay, and at the bottom you can find this effect. This is the effect. Check this image. Tap on it. Okay, and I got this effect. 3 seconds and this is the effect. You can make a ghost of yourself. Okay, so it's working 3 seconds, 2, 3. Okay, cover your face and it's gone back again, 2, 3. Just cover your face and you can get it again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, timing. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok, and if you can't see this effect in effect gallery, then you can go to discover and you can search for 2 of me. Okay, so these are the video with this effect. Tap on any effect you want, and at the bottom you will see this effect icon is there. Tap on it. This is the effect page. Now at the bottom tap on the record button. It will download, and from here also you can use this effect. Okay, so here we go, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, kind of 3 seconds. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.